Yeah, Professor, shall we start? Okay. So, very good morning to all. Respected External Examiner Dr. M. Chandrasekhara, Professor and Chairman, Department of Library Information Science, University of Mysore, and respected Departmental Research Committee members, Dr. R. Jaisankar, Dr. C. Bhaskaran, Dr. B. Ganesan, Dr. S. Kishore Kumar, and Dr. S. Raja, and respected LIS professionals across the country, research scholar Mr. N. Suresh, currently serving as librarian Government Law College at Trichy. My dear students and research scholars, very good morning to all. It's a pleasure and privilege to welcome our external examiner on behalf of Department of Library Information Science and on my own behalf. So that is renowned Professor Dr. M. Chandrasekhara, Professor and Chairman, Department of Library Information Science, University of Mysore, to this occasion. Professor is always very simple and closely associated with our department for the past 2 decades. He has around 27 years of rich professional experience in the field of library information science. His areas of interest: ICT applications, cataloging, and metadata. He has guided around 15 PhD scholars and 10 MPhil students in their research work, and 8 PhD research scholars are doing research under his guidance. He has contributed more than 60 journal articles, 5 books, 16 book chapters, and more than 90 conference papers. He has visited Japan, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. He is a recipient of various awards and prizes. He is a life member of several professional bodies related to library information science. On behalf of Department of Library Information Science and on my own behalf, I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me. Okay.
Okay. A warm welcome to all the Departmental Research Committee members. I also welcome faculty members, alumni members, teaching assistants, administrative staff members, research assistants, research scholars, and students of the Department of Library Information Science, Alagappa University. I extend my sincere welcome to all the participants who have attended through online mode across the country. With these few words, once again, I extend hearty welcome to all of you for this PhD public viva examination. So that is now I hand over the session to Professor Chandrasekhara. Sir, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Thank you for introducing me. This is a great opportunity I feel because online, due to this COVID, we are dependent on organizing this Viva through online. There are many participants because they can come, or this our exceptional friends they can join because due to this online. Today we are assembled here to the PhD Viva was to Mr. Yan Suresh. Okay, Mr. Yan Suresh has prepared his thesis and submitted to the Alagappa University on the topic research output in a seed technology based scientific study. This is really very good topic because the professor is an expert in that particular field, cytometrics. Okay, the topic is also opt, and now this I request Mr. Yan Suresh to present the results of his research as well as defend his thesis. Over to Mr. Yan Suresh.
Respected University Authority, respected external examiner, respected my dear research guide, respected DC members, respected LIS teachers, respected LIS professionals, and my dear students. Uh, good morning and vanakkam to one and all. I am N. Suresh, librarian, Government Law College, Trichy, and part-time research scholar in Department of Library Information Science, Alagappa University, Karaikal. From December 2017 onwards, I am doing research on the topic of research output in seed technology and scientific study under the guidelines of Dr. S. Dhanushkodi, Professor and Head, Department of Library Information Science, Alagappa University. Once again, I welcome you all on my thesis presentation. Introduction. Research outputs are measured using statistical techniques like bibliomatics, informatics, hygromatic, webomatic, etc. In science and technology, its name is called as scientometric. The famous definition, scientometric, emphasizes the meaning of scientometric. Scientometric, the science of measuring science, can be defined as an application of quantitative techniques to scientific communication. In this study, scientometric indicators have been applied to examine the global research output in seed technology. Seeds and its importance in agriculture. According to the Oxford Dictionary, seed means a small hot pot produced by a plant from which a new plant can grow. Yeah. In a famous Tamil proverb emphasizes the importance of seed. A good seed gives 100 bundles of rice. Other inputs like fertilizer, irrigation, weed control, plant insecticides will be useless if seed does not germinate. Seed holds the key to the success of our endeavors in increasing agriculture production. The seed is one of the most important requirements for successful agriculture. Seed technology. In the year 1975, fertilizer defined the seed technology as the method through which the genetic and physical characteristics of seed could be improved. It involves such activities as variety development, evaluation, release, seed production, processing, storage, and certification. Seed technology is essentially an interdisciplinary science that encompasses with subjects like seed production, seed processing, seed storage, seed testing, certification, marketing, and distribution, and other related research on these aspects. Need and scope of the study. Need of the study. Statistical measurement of research productivity of seed technology is helped to know the overall growth by year-wise, subject-wise, and the strength and weakness of the research. This data is most useful in general, especially to policymakers of government for fund allotment to the research. Scope of the study. The study limits its scope to single subject, namely seed technology, as found, enumerated, and indexed in the Web of Science database. Study aims to map the structure of seed technology research publication output at the global level and its special reference to India. Objectives of the study. To ascertain the research output of seed technology literature during the period 1990 to 2019, 30 years. To find out the growth pattern of research publication output of seed technology during the period 1990 to 2019. To find out the relative growth rate, doubling time of seed technology research. to recognize the most productive authors with the country and applied institution in the field of seed technology, to identify the nature of collaboration and the co-authorship pattern and determine the degree of collaboration in seed technology, to find out the most predominant and collaborative author in the field of seed technology research, to construct and analyze the co-authorship network for the research output of seed technology research, to weigh the qualitative aspects of author productivity, institutional productivity, and country productivity, to examine the citation pattern and find out the highly cited publications in the field of seed technology literature during the study period, to assess the contribution of institutions in seed technology research at the regional, national, and international levels, to assess the contribution of funding institutions in seed technology research, to identify the continental country-wise distribution of publications, to draw a detailed picture of subject-wise, language-wise distribution, to report the India's publication activity, to test the relevance of low-cost law, price square root law in seed technology research, to rank the journals and apply the Bradford law of scattering in seed technology domain to identify the core journals, to identify the word occurrence in seed technology literature by Zipf's law. Hypothesis: the global research output on seed technology follows a linear growth pattern. There has been an increasing trend on collaborative research in seed technology during the study period. There is an inverse relationship between relative growth rate and doubling time. There is a relation between number of papers published and the number of papers cited in seed technology. There is a correlation between number of papers published by author and his H index. The Indian author has significantly contributed towards the seed technology research output at the global level. Hypothesis: review of literature. The review of literature chapter have collected 80 review of literature under the 7 subcategories. Category 1, scientific studies on seed technology, 3 review, scientific studies on agriculture and allied subjects, 24 review, scientific studies on global research output on various subjects, 20 reviews, scientific studies on Indian research output on various subjects, 12 reviews, scientific studies on authors pattern networking, 6 reviews, scientific studies on research collaboration between countries, 5 reviews, scientific studies on journals, 10 reviews. Totally 80 review of literature have been reviewed for this in this chapter. Methodology: a scientific analysis of global seed technology research output carried out for the period of 1990 to 2090, 30 years. The primary data of this study were downloaded from Web of Science database. The keywords and Boolean operator used was seed technology, or seed science, or seed production, or seed processing, or seed treatment, or seed handling, or seed storage. The data totally 16,630 records were collected for this study. The data thus downloaded from Web of Science database has been processed with the HitSight and Microsoft Excel as per the objectives of the study, and the data has been presented as tables and graphs. Analyze interpretation of data. In this topic, it has 7 categories. Category 1, basic metrics. Category 2, author metrics. Category 3, citation metrics. Category 4, journal metrics. Category 5, geometrics. Category 6, India's research performance. Category 7, bibliometrics laws and other laws. Basic metrics. Year-wise distribution of publication. Totally 16,613 records were published in the field of seed technology in Web of Science database. The year 2019 has maximum publication is 952 publications. The least publication was found in the year 1990 with 121 publications. Average publication per year was 553.77. Annual growth rate is 18.68. The linear growth model fits the trajectory growth of seed technology during the study period. Relative growth and doubling time. The relative growth rate has increased from 1.28 in the year 1991 to 2.92 in the year 2019. Hence, doubling time was tragically decreasing from 0.54 in the year 1991 to 0.24 in the year 1990. Time series analysis. Time series analysis helps to predict the future growth of seed technology publication. After analyzing time series analysis, we could predict that the year 2025 has 1044 articles, 2030 is 1161 articles, 2040 1395 articles, 2050 1628 articles. Subject-wise categories. There were 128 subject categories are in the seed technology research. The plant science is the maximum subject category with 6,354 publications, Followed by astronomy is 3,649 publications, and ecology has 2,850 documents. The document type wise contribution. There are 19 type of documents were published in the field of sea technology research. Article was most favored document with 15,115, followed by review is as 668, and article proceeding as 435. Language. There are 17 languages were used for published sea technology research. English was the predominant language. 96% of publications were published in English only. English language has published 15,952 articles, followed by Portuguese is 281 and Spanish is 105. Authors metrics. Authorship pattern. In the sea technology, we could find the single author publications to maximum 56 author publications. The double authorship, that means the two authors, is a dominant in sea technology research, followed by three authors is 3,541, four authors 2,825. Degree of collaboration. Degree of collaboration helps to find the single author and collaborative author in the sea technology research. After applying the Subramanian formula, we could find 91.3% of collaboration research in the sea technology research during the study period. Collaboration index. Collaboration index finds the mean value of authors. The number of authors per publication at 3 to 5. It was also relieved that the average number of authors per paper from 3 to 5 and the mean collaboration index steadily increased in every black years. Co-authorship network. Co-authorship network is a social network of authors. Wang Wei is the author, has high degree of centrality, collaborated with 56 collaborators, which means that he was central collaborator of all the whole network, and also he is the highest between us, 3,413.98. Sherry PR has the highest closeness, 0.59. It indicates that he has the closer to other researchers and quickly interacts with, communicates with them without intermediaries. Higher closeness centrality helps analyze community structure. Highly productive author. There were 40,588 authors were contributed in the sea technology research. Lemon DB from Curtin University, Australia, has contributed 50 articles, followed by Johnson ST from England. He has contributed 47 articles. Wang Wei is contributed 42 articles. Highly cited articles. Totally 350,561 citations were found in the sea technology research during the study period. Sherry PR from England, he has published 37 publications and received 3,495 citations. It was the 1% of total citation. Followed by Takiwa F from Japan, he published 42 articles. He received 2,441 citations. It was 0.7% of total citation. Impacted authors is H index, G index, HG index. Lemon DB is, we already know that he was the highly published author. He has received the highest H index, G index, HG index. His H index is 26, G index is 47, HG index 34.96. Impacted authors with E index, R index, F index, and A index. Sherry PR, we already know that he was a highly cited author. He received the highest E index, R index, F index, and A index. His E index is 53.62, R index 61.30, F index 6.52, A index 157.95. Highly performed author with MCI and Y index. MCI means most contributor index. This index based on the position of the author, whether the author is a first author or a corresponding author. Based on this analysis, Herrera CM, he has received the highest MCI with -0.02 and J value is 20.52. Total O is received theta value 1. Journal metrics. There are 1,647 journals has contributed for sea technology research. The journal Seed Science and Technology, published from Switzerland, published by International Seed Testing Association, has published 57 publications and occupied #1 position, followed by Web Science is published 242 publication, is published from USA, published by Cambridge University Press. Indian Journal of Agriculture Science, published by Indian Council of Agriculture Research, India, occupied 9th position with 177 articles. Quality indicators of journal. Quality indicators such as impact factor, H index, Simogo rank, based on the quality indicator may be determined. After that, Web Science, the journal has received highest impact factor 3.05 and the H index is 37. The journal Ecology has received the highest Simogo rank 2.507. Citation methods. There were 3,50,561 citations are found in the seed technology research. 89.32% of articles was cited. That means totally 16,613 articles. Out of that, 14,840 journals were cited, and only 1,773 was not cited. In the year 2004, has received the highest citation with 19,814. This was 5.6% of overall citation. Highest citation per publication was reported in the year 2001 with 40.12. Highly cited paper. The title of paper is Importance of Pollinators in Changing Landscape for World Crops, authored by Kevin A.M., published in the year 2007. It received totally 2,215 citations. Average citation per year was 158.21. He is the #1 journal for highly cited journal. Geometrics. There were 148 countries that contributed in the seed technology research. USA scored the first place with 4,408 publications with 1,24,641 citation, and its eligibility is 132. He occupied the first position. China is 1,201 12 publications and occupied second position. India in the third position with 1,165 documents. Countries collaboration trend. USA is the top producing country, hence its international collaboration was very meager. It only 35% was international collaboration. The rest of 65% was is domestically collaborated. Where Germany published only 698 articles, its international collaboration was 97%. Domestic collaboration was 3%. India is international collaboration is only 21%. Rest of 78% was domestic publication. So India must concentrate on international collaboration in the near future. Most productive countries collaboration relationship. USA is the most productive country. He has the highest collaboration with China, followed by Canada is 170. India is the least country with USA collaboration with 44. Hence, India has the highest collaboration with USA with 44 publications. And India has the second collaboration with Australia with 19 publications. Top productive institution. Top productive institution, USA ADRS, US Department of Agriculture Science, published 400 documents and is occupied the first position. Chinese Academy of Science is contributed 310 articles and occupied second position. Indian Research Institute has occupied 30th position with 89 publications. Top funding institution. Funding is the important element of any research. In the seed technology research, National Natural Science Foundation of China, NSFC, has contributed 565 contributions. It's from China. National Science Foundation, NSF, is contributed 355 publications is from USA. In the top funding institution, ICAR from India, ICAR has contributed 60 articles, DPT has 53, CSIR has 52 publications. India's research performance. Indian research performance. India has 7% of global share of seed technology research. India has contributed only 1,617 articles only. It was 7% of global share, but it slowly, during the ceremony, we found that it slowly grows to contribute to global research. Top Indian research institution. Indian Agriculture Institute has contributed 85 publications, total citation of 704, its index is 14. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University is contributed 52 publications, its index is 16, rank 2. University of Mysore is publication 42 publications, its index is 17 and rank 3. Top Tamil Nadu institution. Tamil Nadu was the top productive institution in Tamil Nadu state. Tamil Nadu was the top productive state in seed technology research. Hence, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore, was the top in the table with 53 publications and rank 1. And Annamalai University, Kadalur has 11 publications. Bharatiyar University 4, Bharathasan 3, University of Madras 3, Manoன்மணியம் Sundaranath University published 3 articles. Tamil Nadu Dr. J. Jayalalitha Fisher University has contributed 2 articles. Alagappa University, Madurai Commerce University, Anna University each contributed 1 article in the field of seed technology. Bibliomatics law and others law. Lodkar's law of author productivity. Testing the applicability of Lodkar's law with chi-square value to evaluate the observed values with expected values. The calculated chi-square value 3973.24 was higher than the table value. Thus proved that seed technology research output during the study period does not fit into the Lodkar's law of author productivity. Bradford's law of subject. The total number of articles is 16,613 and its total number of journals 1,647. Each zone, for example, zone 1 is 4 journals, it has 40 journals, 4 2 is allied. This 149 journal, 43 is the alien journal with 1,458 journals. Hence, the multiplier is too high. Hence, it's concluded that the data set does not fit into the Bradford's law. Bradford law of scattering unipolar model. After application of unipolar model, the core zone with containing 24 journals, allied journals is 211 journals. For zone 3, alien journals containing 1,644 journals, which means researcher acknowledging the possibility of new modified Bradford distribution given by unipolar model. Testing of hypothesis. Hypothesis. The global research output on seed technologies follow a linear growth pattern tested by Pearson correlation coefficient. Result: the growth of seed technology research for the study period is linear. Hypothesis accepted. There is an inverse relationship between relative growth rate and doubling time in seed technology research. The relative growth rate shows an increasing trend, the doubling time shows a decreasing trend, thus the hypothesis is accepted. There has been an increasing trend in seed technology research during the study period. After analyzing the time series analysis, it was visibly know that there is an increasing trend for upcoming futures. So hypothesis is accepted. There is a correlation between number of papers published by author and his H-index. Pearson correlation coefficient was used for statistical test. A strong positive correlation between number of papers published by the author and his H-index is in hypothesis accepted. There is a correlation between number of papers published and the number of papers cited in seed technology tested by Pearson correlation coefficient. A strong positive correlation between number of papers published and number of papers cited in seed technology research. So hypothesis is accepted. Indian authors have significantly contributed towards the seed technology research output at the global level. India's share in the global is 7% only. Hence, India is the 3rd position. So hypothesis is accepted. Suggestions. Global perspectiveness. Agriculture play a vital role in economic growth and per capita income of any country. Hence, the research output in seed technology is moderate condition comparing to the other subject. Heavy investment is needed in terms of research funding and development activities from the government and to update the field and increase the research output. English language was dominant language in seed technology research with 96%. Hence, the research institution encouraged the scientists to publish the research findings in the regional language. Research consortium may be formed by the top producing countries in seed technology research. It will help the lower producing countries to strengthen and deepen research in seed technology. The researchers may be motivated to publish the research finding in open access journals. It helps to improve their research visibility. Suggestions from Indian perspectives. India ranks second in agriculture production. Hence, the research output of seed technology is 1,165 for 30 years is really below par. Government may establish separate research institutes with maximum investment to improve the focused research activities on seed technology research. India's global collaboration is 20.81A. Indian scientists may be encouraged to have collaboration with the global seed technology research authors and institutions. Direction for further research. Database such as Scopus and the CAB Direct Online Database would have been appropriate source of a future research reveals the research output of seed technology. The multi-database or comparative database would have been conducted for seed technology research output. Seed technology output of country grouping like APAC country, Asian country, BRIC country, G7 country, and SHARC countries may be undertaken. Scientometric portrait of prolific authors in seed technology may be executed. Conclusion. The research output found that the growth of seed technology research output till 2012. Afterwards, there has been gradual increase from 2013 to 19. It was predicted that seed technology research will grow rapidly in the future. The finding of the study will be useful to policymakers and administrators to identify the research strength and weakness and also understand the knowledge dissemination pattern of research field. This will assist them in framing seed technology research policy at national and international levels. So, food security is the national security. So, countries may concentrate more research on agriculture and agriculture related research like seed technology may be considered in future. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, clear. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Sir.
Professor, you, so that is,
Yes, I can continue, sir.
yes, you continue for
Yes.
open discussion.
Okay. Okay, but this Mr. Suresh has presented nicely this the important findings of his research. The thesis actually come up very well because we know that the professor is a very good expert in the field of scientometrics, and that's why not much comments I can say. As I read this, some of the things I observed, that is why the candidate has given the proposed research in the chapter, this in the page number 8. And the page number 8, he has given proposed research, whether he has directly taken from the synopsis, this tentative synopsis. Okay, that I don't know. But you have to ask with the Suresh. Suresh, can you give clarification regarding this?
For proposal research.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, sir, what clarification?
No. In your this thesis, the first chapter, that I think page number 8, you are given proposed research.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes,
what
sir.
is this the importance? Okay.
The proposed research helps to know the why I'm doing this research. So that's why I
okay, because we would have changed that one. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
And another one is the need and its significance. Okay, we would have merged that one also because need separate and significance separate. You read.
Okay.
This one. And why you have taken only this one database, Web of Science?
Yes, sir. Sir, I previously done a research paper with Scopus data, sir.
Scopus, okay.
Scopus data. After that, I plan to doing research in Web of Science, sir. And also I said plan that Web of Science is more authoritative than the Scopus in the field of seed technology, sir.
No,
there have been 89% were cited articles are in Web of Science database only, sir.
What came to my mind, no, there are many database relating to agriculture science you would have
Sir,
taken.
sir, in the future, I may be done, sir. Maybe see other database, I may be done.
And what are the tools mainly used for analyzing the data?
So analyzing data, I used statistical indicators, cyanometric indicators, and I applied statistical tools such as Pearson correlation coefficient, mean, standard deviation, and relative growth rate, doubling time. Uh, uh, 1 minute, sir. Time series analysis, degree of collaboration, collaboration index, collaboration coefficient, modified collaboration coefficient, authorship index, activity index, degree of centrality, closeness centrality, betweenness centrality, H index, G index, HG index, E index, impact factor, Simogo journal rank,
No,
Okas law.
Suresh, good. This, can you explain about this E index and HG index? Because some others, you know,
Sir.
they can also get to know about this. Normally, this H index, G index, all these are there because you are using E index, HG index. What is the importance of that? And can you explain?
Some of G index, H index is the core citation called as the HD index. Sir.
No, next, no, some more this clarification needed from you because E index, G index, etc. And that which actually the software you use for analyzing the data.
The hit site, BiblioShiny, BibExcel,
BibExcel.
VOS Weaver.
USC
use more than.
Okay, BibExcel. Okay. What about this? You did this, no? BiblioShine.
BiblioShine.
This, I think.
I was previously Bibliometrics. It was our product.
Because
I used BiblioShiny for low-cost class author productivity.
This is the no. What I came to know, this is a good actually the software, no? Or this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good, sir.
This will help. I think compared to this with Excel, this will be highly useful. Okay. Anyhow, this is these are some of the things. And coming to the contributions, okay, India is, I think, contribution is also good because it is, I think,
it's the third position.
Yes, third position, and also our university also in third position. That's a good point. What do you?
Your university in the third position in Indian.
This is the University of Mysore. Okay, anyhow, you have this conduct a very good study because that will help you to the society also. Okay, many more this, studies can be conducted in this line on this very good concrete suggestions also, suggestions you have given, and the further research also, and what are the areas can be taken by the future researchers. All these are things you have given very good this, ideas, thrown very good.
Professor,
yes.
Sorry for the interruption.
Yes, sir,
if participants is any clarification.
Yeah, I'll do.
Yes.
No, I'll come to that one. Okay.
Okay.
That's one thing. Okay. So all these things are good. And next, I think I asked this is even clarifications regarding. And what are this participants? Any of these participants? No, you can clarify your doubts. You can give suggestion also. No problem. I think Srinivas is ready to ask. I think.
Mr. Suresh, can you hear me?
This is Dr. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. First of all, congratulations to you and Dr. Dhanushkodi, sir. It's a very good research. You have done it really well, and you made a very elaborate presentation. Congratulations. I just wanted to know what are the search terms you used for in your methodology?
I already mentioned that Boolean search operators, seed technology, seed production, seed testing, that are 4 or 5 search terms were used to tell out the information from the above science.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Suresh,
Sir.
you have chosen that seed technology, no?
Sir.
Why you have chosen this topic and what is your statement of the research?
Sir, I am statement of research is food security is national security, sir. So every country must do research on the agriculture related research, but in reality it's very low, sir. So my findings of the study, countries may encourage to do research in the agriculture and agriculture related research. This topic I chose because of my own interest. I have chosen 4 or 5 topics. After that, I feel that why don't we do a research in a agriculture-based research? That's why I chose the technology, sir.
Okay, that is your interest.
Yes, sir.
What is I ask you that? What is impact and advantages of doing research?
Impact means we must know the status of research in seed technology research. Now we know that it was very below compared to the other science and technology subjects. So government, I suggested that governments and research institutions may encourage scientists to contribute more papers on seed technology.
Okay. Sir, already examiner told you that there are many indexes you have given in your research, no?
Yes, sir.
I index, E index, P index and all.
Yes,
you have given any formula for that indexes?
Yes, sir. I have mentioned in my methodology, sir, give a formula.
No. If you are given that degree of collaboration, no, Subramanian formula, you are given directly, okay?
Sir, NM by NN.
That's why all the index you are given formula.
Yes, sir. I have formula, sir. I have formula, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the purpose for applying this formula?
If you look up the HTTech index is based on publication and citation, sir. The other index like E index and A index is based on citation, sir. But the other index like Y index and LTI index based on the position of author, sir. So I felt that no index to the right to evaluate the person's contribution.
Okay. You clearly know this, all those formula. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhaskaran, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next, sir. Next, anyone? Pradeep.
Hello.
Pradeep Dixit, sir, is asking some question.
Yes, sir. Dr. Suresh, sir. I am also going on same research. So may I share your number?
What, sir?
Or may I know your number? Because I am also doing same research on same area on bibliometrics or agriculture. So please share your number so I contact you for further discussion.
Okay, sir. 988.
Please again.
988.
988.
44.
44.
722.
722.
No, 72203.
03.
Yes, sir.
988 44 72203.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks, sir. Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Suresh. This is Armugam here.
Good morning, Armugam.
From PhD College of Technology. Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, I have some suggestions like, why don't you concentrate on citation mapping since you have taken Web of Science as a citation database here. So you can concentrate on citation mapping of the collaborative research work because you have covered geometric research and all, right? What's the geometric status? So in that geometric status, what is the citation mapping of all the countries with respect to India that can also be covered so that it can be more elaborative in your research part? This is a suggestion I just want to give you.
I accept those suggestions. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best. Congratulations.
In future, I may interpret your suggestions.
Thank you.
Very good afternoon. Jason speaking.
Good morning, sir.
Suresh, very good presentation. Okay. I wish you all the best. I want some. When you are collecting the data or when you are analyzing the data, for example, in technology, two type of seeds. For example, genetically modified seeds and organically generated seeds. Which research output more number of publications published in your research? Or
No,
genetically
sir.
modified?
Sorry, sir. I am not collect information based on your question, sir. Just to search seeds, sir. Not differentiate seed from organic or chemical seed. I am not concentrate on this, sir. Just I concentrate on seed only, sir.
It's not come. Hello?
Sir.
No, no. For example, seed technology, for example, most of the research is concentrated on genetically modified seeds or organically generated seeds.
Sir, based on the country's climate conditions, they have a different seed varieties developed according to the country's weather condition, other things.
Most of the research, my question is,
I don't have, sir, any answer on the question.
When you are analyzing the DRIPSLA, we can eat.
Yes, sir. Zipla
Seeds are organically generated seeds.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yeah, I think he has not concentrated on that, that Professor Jaishankar.
Yes.
I think only this, whatever the data has, he has collected, not analyzed, segregated this one.
Sorry, sir. There is no term has been coming.
Suresh, you can concentrate in this line also. Okay, good suggestion.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will concentrate.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay, next.
Suresh, this is Kalyani here.
Kalyani ma'am is.
It was a wonderful presentation, Suresh. It was very extensive, steady. Actually, as you said, India contributes 7% to the global research, and you had listed out the universities in Tamil Nadu also. Is there any specific reasons that this state tops the most, and do you got any idea about that? So why this state contributes more and why this state contributes less? So I wanted to know the position of Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu has contributed more journals, more publication comparing to the other states. But what is the reason behind this? Because Tamil Nadu is agriculture state, that's why we have a more agriculture research institutions in Tamil Nadu. That's why may contributed more.
So you got the ordinal position. This is the place, 7th place or 5th place. So do you got any position to it?
Tamil Nadu is the first position, madam.
Tamil Nadu is in the first position in India.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I was just wondering that comparative to Tamil Nadu, Punjab leads the most in production,
madam,
as well
it's
as
not agriculture research, madam. It is a seed technology research.
Okay.
Okay. In agriculture research, maybe Punjab or other states may come first. In seed technology research, Tamil Nadu has come
so
first.
it leads the most.
This data based on only the above science, madam. If you go to Scopus or any other data, it may be differ.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay. Next, any question?
Sir, Suresh sir.
Sir.
Only sir, just wanted to add that there are a lot of seed companies in the world.
Okay, sir.
Because when I worked in Bangalore, we have made a lot of collaborations with seed companies in France and all. Lima Grain, Wilmore in CE, Monsanto and all. Did you come across any publications, particularly with these seed giants? Maybe in your research, when you made analysis?
No, sir.
You didn't come across?
No, sir.
Because,
only government institution has contributed more in the seed technology in India.
Yeah,
so no private participation. If you go to America and England, they have private contribution more, sir. But India is only government institutions contributed in the research area.
Okay, because just I would like to add that a majority of the patents in seed technology, hold by the abroad companies only. Like as I said, Monsanto, Lima Grain, and Wilmore in CE and all. Their subsidiary companies are all in India. They are doing major research. For example, even ICRISAT in Hyderabad is doing great work in seed technologies. So probably maybe we can ask our further juniors to conduct research in these things. How the seed giants, seed companies make research in the seed technology or something like that. So
Okay,
we have
sir.
to, based on science, I mean publications. So what is the product output? That also we have to bring it out. So that is what I would like to add. This.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Professor.
Okay, next, sir.
Yes,
Yes, Professor will continue. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Manoj Kumar, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Continue.
Okay. Sir, very congratulations to Mr. Suresh for the nice presentation. And one thing I want to know is, out of your study, what is the biggest contribution to the research community of seed technology by this study, according to you?
What you try to ask, the community means?
The seed technology research group is there, and the biggest output of this study or the message you want to given to those, what is that exactly?
Concentrate on more research activities in seed technology.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Manoj.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Okay. Next, okay, Chirag.
Hello, sir. Can I ask
Chirag,
a
sir.
question?
Chirag Sachdev.
Mr. Suresh, are you
Yes,
hearing me,
sir.
sir? Sir, what are the plagiarism tests you take in your thesis, and what are its results, sir? Can you explain?
What are they? Sir, one more time. I didn't hear you, sir.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat the question?
With your thesis, and what are its results, sir?
Plagiarism research, sir.
Plagiarism, sir.
Plagiarism result எவ்வளவு percentage இருக்குற?
6%, sir, I think.
I think Mr. Suresh has used the Urkund software you have used, isn't it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Professor. Okay, thank you, Chirag, sir. Professor, you can continue, I think. No questions, no other questions. Sir, you have muted your audio. That's why it's not this audible. Senthil Narayan, sir. Audio is muted. Okay.
Okay, Professor.
Okay, sir. We can continue, sir, Professor.
Yes.
Then I'll tell you, I'll come later. Then.
Okay. To conclude, Professor. Okay.
Okay, can I conclude?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, this Mr. N. Suresh has successfully defended his thesis because many of our professional friends have raised many questions and also given very good suggestions. Also, okay, this is also well taken. That in future we can concentrate on that line. And based on the merits, okay, I think all the examiners have given the positive report on the thesis by seeing the merits of the thesis. We, the doctoral committee, we recommend because the professor and we all and the committee members. Okay, we recommend the university to award doctoral degree to Mr. Yan Suresh. This is the doctor of library, this doctor of philosophy in library and information science from Aladappa University, Karakkudi. Okay, good work you have done. Okay, all the best for future endeavors. I congratulate you as well as Professor Tanishko Ji, because he has also put a lot of effort, and also our professional friends, department, Professor Jaishankar, as well as our library fraternity, particularly we know this Bhaskar and Ganesh, and all this our professional friends have supported much for you, okay, because they also actively participated here. Because I wholeheartedly thank, and also I thank to the university authorities, particularly university authorities. They have and also the Tanushko Diji for inviting me as this external examiner for conducting the PhD YOS to Mr. N. Suresh. Okay. Thank you, one and all. Over to Professor Tanushko Diji.
Yes, thank you. Now so that is formal vote of thanks by Mr. N. Suresh.
Thank you, sir. Lord Shiva, within my thoughts abides, by his grace alone, bowing before his feet. Thanks to external examiner Dr. Chandrasekhara M., Professor and Chairman, Department of Library Information Science, Mysore University, for intellectually stimulating and enjoyable Viva. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank my supervisor, Dr. S. Dhanushkodi, Professor and Head, Department of Library Information Science, Alagappa University, Karakudi, for his guidance, great support, and kind advice throughout my PhD studies. I was a real privilege and honor for me to share his exceptional research knowledge, but also for his extraordinary human qualities. I am thankful to Dr. R. Jaishankar, Associate Professor, Department of Library Information Science, Alagappa University, Karakudi, for extending all necessary help to me. I express my sincere thanks to Dr. C. Bhaskaran, Librarian, Alagappa University, Dr. P. Ganesan, Librarian, Alagappa University, Dr. S. Kishore Kumar, Deputy Librarian, Alagappa University, Dr. S. Raja, Assistant Librarian, Alagappa University, and other library staff members for the kind cooperation and encouragement at all the stages of this work. I am grateful to Tamil Nadu Director of Legal Studies, Dr. N. S. Santosh Kumar, and Dr. M. Rajeshwaran, Principal Government Law College, Trichy, for granting me permission to pursue this work. I special thanks to my mentor P. Maunisami, Assistant Librarian, National Institute of Technology, Trichy, for its encouragement. And I my special thanks to Mr. Surli Nedi, Assistant Professor, Bharathasan University, for his continuous support and helping for throughout my studies. I extend my sincere thanks to my dear friends. Special thanks to Jagadisan, Tirunavakaras, Mohanathan, Jabajoslin, Sudhakar for their unwavering support throughout the period of my research. And also I thank to my students Hari Prasad and Rajkumar for their support. Thank to my colleagues and friends of the Government Law College, Trichy. I am indeed grateful to my beloved parents, my father Nadesan, my mother Mrs. Nalini, my wife Mrs. Lakshmi Suresh, my daughters Divya Darshini and Harini, and other family members, my sisters, brothers, help to achieve the best life in the form of higher education. I express my sincere thanks to Alagappa University authorities and the research section, PhD scholars, and department staff members for their encouragement and support. Once again, I express my earnest thanks to all of them. Nandri.
Thank you, Professor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, Dhanyawad.
Okay, Professor, thank you.
ரேஷ் வாழ்த்துக்கள் பா.
ரொம்ப நன்றி சார். தேங்க்யூ சார். நீங்க இல்லைன்னா அது முடிஞ்சிருக்காது சார். தேங்க்யூ சார். வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி, நன்றி பிரம்மநாதன்.